Yun, bagong owner.
But the owner cannot get into the used to be. Okay. Which one is it? Must find that torch. It's this one because he also has a big gear.
Alright, okay.
He said you don't need to use first gear because it's
Very strong.
oh, it has no servo. Oh. Okay, here we go. Man. I will just drive straight to the car. Right? Alright.
How about the steering? A good one?
I must. We go that way.
Oh!
Probably the tires, Malik.
Yeah.
4 different tires.
Oh, that's the problem sometimes when you use a different tires.
You have to, once you get used to it, but now, let's try to go over here. Sometimes I feel nice. Oh man, look at that. I don't know whether
Nice.
because I don't know how to brake yet. Oh, it brakes.
Okay.
It brakes, Malik. Oh, you can do it.
Oh! Hey, easy!
I'm easy. He's not easy, he's jumping. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with it.
You're gonna have a lot of fun with it, huh?
Don't worry about that. I hear an Alfonso.
Oh,
Shit, it's not an automatic.
the clutch, you have to...
Yeah, I know.
Oh!
Yeah, I got a boogie boy. E60K. What?
Yeah.
Boogies or what? Oh,
Boogie is in the back. Two dogs. Riding with us. Mabul yung dalawang aso eh. Mabul.
two of the 3 musketeers.
Yeah, the 3 musketeers dog.
Yeah, but only 2 are
The
prisoners.
one left. Because I think...
Portos, the fat one is at home.
So, try natin sa semento. Put na second gear. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh,
that's the problem. He has a little play,
yeah.
a little bit of lot of play.
Oh, yeah. Big clearance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But once you get used to it,
Oh, Alfonso, see the dog, see the dog.
you don't see those
Ooh, wow, nice. How about the clutch? Good. Yeah.
Also a little bit of play here and there, but
Yeah.
that's what you need to get used to. And I'm already used to that automatic one. That's why when I brake, here we are.
Alfonso, Poncho. Poncho. Yeah.
the engine is good.
Yeah. I heard it also that the engine was not so, you know,
It's okay.
very good sound. Bonzo!
I think it was moving. Oh, don't do it.
Oh!
Yeah, and then you play, huh? you steer that way and it takes 10 minutes before you are here. Okay.
You will see that dog again. Bonzo.
I'll take a little bit of speed. Now I go try to turn around.
Yeah. I think in this area. There. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Hirap siya mag-atras, oh. Nanibago siya eh. Pa-practice. Okay. Alright. We will check later the tank. If it's full or not.
So I buy myself a gallon. I hang it on the backside of the car. Not stranded anymore. And it's raining very hard. Oh. You have to put in a swimming suit when you go drag with it when it's raining very hard.
Of course, because it's open.
Can you actually put that thing on? No.
Not good. Not correct.
Because don't think it.
Not used every day. That's why the wiper are not okay.
You wipe it. There's two of them.
Yeah, two.
But only a lady that's in my way here.
No. It's Mama Mary.
I ain't gonna feed them. You have to drive it, okay?
I don't know.
And I think it's good feed
Just let it there. That's okay. Oh. That goes into Madi. I think the engine will.
Oh no. You have a radio?
No, I think there's no connection.
I think we can.
Yeah. Because they're not using this car, di ba? They're not using the regulation. Still was some power.
I can survive it. I mean, I can survive it. I mean, use it.
Yes, you can revive it.
But this is in my way, you know. What's my way? I must change that.
Okay. Oh, yeah, wow. Very strong, huh?
Yes.
But you're second gear only. You're third gear. Oh, easy here, huh?
Don't give any gas. It isn't so clean. It was just a little bit of Canada on top of the...
Our problem here is the clearance of the steering wheel, right? That's the only. Yeah. You have to work on it. Of course, you use not different tire, the same tire. Because they're using a different tire. Yan natin sa putikan, oh. Yan, mga putikan yan, eh, oh. Oh, diba? Wow. Wah. Yeah. The wheel is dancing. It's like dancing. The front wheel. Yeah. Ay, oh, okay, okay. Nice. Lakas niya to. Ang lakas niya. Wow. Solid yung owner. Mura lang pagkabili dito. Nasa 75,000 plus binigyan niya ng konting pera yung tumulong. Plus registration nasa something 80,000 lang to lahat. Tangkad nyo. Hirap siya. Sumama yan. Sumama.
Are you coming out?